Top picks include Amazon and Mark Mahaney from Evercore ISI able to join us. He's, of course, head of internet research there. Mark, great to see you. What's your take on this selling from Bezos? Is he timing it because the stock is rich?
I don't know. People sell for a variety of different reasons. I like Amazon as a stock. It's one of our top picks. I think there's more upside, but I looked across the 6 largest cap names that I cover, the big 3, Amazon, Google, Meta, and then go down cap a little bit, Uber, Netflix, and Booking. They're all at all-time highs. So even amongst the highest quality names, there's not that much dislocation. In fact, there's very little. You can find pockets of it. You have to be very tactical about it. There were opportunities on some of these names, like a Netflix earlier this year traded off. Google did too over AI fears, and Uber has over Robotaxi fears. And I've been trying to take advantage of those opportunities. I like this. I like the sector. It's compounding now. There's not too many re-rating opportunities. This isn't 2023. This isn't the beginning of 23 or late 22 where you had really interesting dislocation opportunities. So we're kind of compound constructive on the space. I continue to like Amazon, even if Bezos is selling here.
Well, just dwell on this news for us a little bit more, if you can, Mark, because different CEOs sell at different times. Jamie Dimon never sold and then recently did sell a little bit, albeit for estate planning reasons. Satya Nadella has done kind of 2 decent-sized sales in the last 5 years. Bezos has been a bit more regular on his sales, but we are at all-time highs, and it's not like he sells the same amount every month. Are there any in your, let's say, those big 3, certainly stocks, and maybe the next 3, are there any when you do see an insider selling that you take note, or do you never care about it?
I care about it, but it's not a huge indicator for me. I think if I had downgraded Amazon's shares every time I saw Bezos or a major insider selling, I think I would have missed some rallies. So I find it interesting, but I don't find it, frankly, Wilfred, I just don't find it actionable.
So you mentioned there that the biggest 6 you cover are basically at all-time highs. I also looked down the list of your entire coverage universe. They're all either buys or holds, and more buys than holds. Is that telling that there's no sells?
Finding sells in the internet space has been a hard thing to do, but there clearly have been some companies that I'd be very cautious about. So amongst those that I cover, and I've dropped coverage of names over time, but amongst those that I currently cover, where I think fundamental outlook is very limited in terms of its growth in online retail, if you like Amazon, it's kind of hard to like eBay. In travel, there are 3 names. Now, I have a buy on Expedia, and it's not a stock that's outperformed, or it's not a stock that's performed that well. I've always been wondering about the quality of it. I'm taking a value trade take on it, but I hope I'm right on it. But sometimes you get these wrong. So, yeah, I've generally been pretty constructive on the internet space. I mean, it's been a great wealth-performing sector for quite some time, particularly if you stick with the highest quality names. And I think there's about 10 to 12, 13, 14 of these names that are really high-quality names that you generally want to buy consistently, especially on dips.
We've been talking a lot this morning and yesterday, Mark, about Tesla, and in particular Robotaxi Day on 8/8. And I'm wondering if in your models for Uber and for Lyft, if there's anything regarding Robotaxi. We just spoke to a Tesla analyst who basically marked down the value of the Robotaxi and what it means to Tesla, because more value should be accorded to an Uber and Lyft in the world. And so I wonder if that's entering your model at this point, or if it's just way too early.
No, it absolutely is. It's actually impacted my stock picks. I mean, I made Uber once again one of my top picks precisely because of the Robotaxi sell-off. Look, I may well be wrong on this, and I'm looking out my window right now. I'll be riding Waymo, later today. It's a great experience, but so is Uber for that matter, and it's all going to come down to for 95% of consumers, which is cheaper, which is going to get to, which is going to pick me up quicker. And I think the major advantage that I think the market kind of missed in this Robotaxi sell-off on Uber is Uber's a demand aggregator. I mean, you can build the greatest, self-driving fleet that you want, but you got to get the demand. And there's Uber with more demand for ride sharing than anybody else. I think you're going to have a hybrid network in the future. I think especially if you have multiple different Robotaxi vendors, providers, I think that's going to create this great network opportunity for Uber. And so they'll slide in. You'll open up your Uber app in 5 years in San Francisco, New York, LA, wherever you are. You'll see Uber Black, Uber X, Uber Robo. Some people are going to take Uber Robo. Some people won't. It'll come down for most people on price and convenience, how long it's going to take to get to you. I think Uber is a major winner, actually. I think it's actually going to be, the business will actually become stronger because of robo-taxis. So when I see these robo-taxi fears on Uber, I think it creates great buying opportunities.